Give Rick Flair right now to Jose, to Stephanie, to Mark. I want to allow Ric Flair. Get ready. On to 1, 2. Woo! Oh, Antonio. Now look it. So one way to make sense. Sense of this is to tell a story. Another way is this: show the battle. Are these going to battle actually? No. Good, good, good. So look at, what's this one? Class, help me. What's this one?
Positive.
What's this two?
Positive.
If they're on the same team, what do? Add. Good, you're all talking to me right now. So we have 1, 2, 3. So you have 3. And what team are they on?
Positive.
All right. Do you see how many ways there were? How many ways did I show you to get 3? 2 ways. All right. We did this and we did this. Now, is there some brave soul out there that can tell me a story about 1 minus 2? Fernando.
You have $1.
You have $1. Good. Okay.
And a toy you want has is $2.
Okay. So you have $1, and a toy that you want is $2. So what's that going to make?
Negative 1.
You got -1. Well, now the question is, what does that -1 mean right there? What is that? You want to try?
You
Diamond, what's this one? Look right here. What's this one?
Positive.
And what's this 2, Diamond?
Negative.
Okay, so now, Diamond, if they're in different teams, what do?
Cancel.
They cancel. Good. She used that word cancel right now. 1, 2 claps because she used cancel. 1, 2. All right, we got to do. Right now, I'm going to hear you do it one more time. We're going to get Kimberly involved, so get ready. 2 claps on 2. 1, 2. Good. All right, we have 1 minus 2. They cancel. Good. Diamond, what's left over?
1.
-1. Very good. You got it, you got it, you got it. So we have 2 ways. Okay, so now you have that. Now, here's the ultimate challenge problem. Go ahead and try this one right now. Write that one down, guys. This one. I'll get it out of the way, sorry. You're done, put your pencil down, you track. Right. Let's hear a couple different answers. Let's see. Actually, let's just do one answer. Let me hear some answers. What'd you get? What'd you get? What'd you get? Got -6, -6. What'd you get? -6. What'd you get? -6. What'd you get? -6. So let's see. I'm here at -6. If you had a -6, you put your thumb up. If you did not have -6, put it down, but everybody has to tell me something. So go ahead. All right, a lot of you got it, a couple of you didn't. Let's find out how to do this then. Watch this, watch. You can use an underline. This is 1, this is where you start. That 1, that's where you start. Fatima, this 1, that's where you start. Okay, Jocelyn, that 1, that's where you Start on the number line. Ricardo, that's where you start. So I'm going to start right here. Now, do I go to the right or do I go to the left? If you think you go to the right, raise your right hand. This is your right hand. Point that way. If you think you go to the left, point that way. All right. Looks like almost all you guys are doing it. Nice, Jose. That's some serious passion. And I'll tell you, you're right. It is positive. Excellent notes, you guys. That's good. Guaranteed. You cannot get better than this. You guys are as good as any class, any teacher could ever want. It does not get better than this, Diego. So that's where I start. So the one's right here. That one right here. Oh, everybody, wait real quick. Heather, this is for you. She's my favorite person in school. Let's give her a Ric Flair. On 2. I want the loudest Ric Flair right now. 1, 2. Woo! Yeah, she's always helping me out. All right, guys, listen to this. Paper past routers in this entire school. As soon as you get this, I need you to go ahead and put your name on this. Go. Don't talk about it. Don't bother them. Put your name on this right away. Put your name on this. Put your name on this. Thank you, Doug. And then track me once you've done that. Once you put your name on it, track me. Good, JC. Good, Antonio. Okay. Perfect behavior, guys, over there. Excellent behavior. Well done. Thank you. By the way, I want to just point out what happened. Mark dropped some papers. Now, one of you made a big deal about it. That's excellent behavior, you guys, because it is not a big deal. Thank you very much. That's good phone call stuff, by the way. Stuff like that. Jose, one of these days I'm going to get through. I'll let you know if it doesn't happen. Let's see your inside. Think about it. Let's say you weren't really sure about that number line. You've got other ways to do it, so you can check your logic, right? Can you tell me how you would check your logic?
You can do the battle.
You can do the battle. Okay. How about this? Let's see. Can you say, Mr. Schulte, can you try, listen to this class. Say, Mr. Schulte, I'm going to check my logic by showing the battle. Try to say that.
Mr. Schulte, I'm going to check my logic by showing the battle.
Perfect. Okay, you sound like you're in college now. I like that. Show with your fingers. All right, so let's see. I think you got it. Here's what you do. You start at 1. Three things that you have learned today. Write down 3 things that you have learned today. So you're going to write down 3 things you have learned today. And then I also, after you do that, you have one more thing. I want you to do this properly. 2 minus negative 5. Definitely. Come over here, I'm going to go ahead and look at it if you don't talk. So if you're done, you can go live over here. I'm going to look. Got it. Don't talk or you have to go sit down then. Take your stuff with you. You can take your stuff with you. Take your stuff. You line up. I want to take a look at it. If it looks good, you can leave when the bell rings. So line up, and you can't talk. I don't want to bother anybody.